Yep. On today's episode, Johnson over here, he's putting LED lights. He's kind of making his vibe kayak like, the Carolina squat. He wants the lights on there. Look cool. I think that's his age.
Cool. Now we're doing the Yak Power dual USB-C. No instructions or nothing. There we go. Now. Oh, they're back. Holy bejeebus. Holy bejeebus. They wouldn't know what I just went through. Big brain shit right now. Big brain stuff. Big brain stuff. Boom. Da boom. Ka-chow.
A little picture. The battery slowly going to his death. Is that your battery case? What?
Mine's far right.
Oh my.
Motherfuck. Trophy. Perfect.
It's not plastic whatever again. We don't have to move that. There we go. So now
Try that again.
ready?
Yep. Alright. Step 2.
And the battery goes in here. This gets fed all the way through. It will all the way down, go to the heart. You got your switch on the sides. Got my little outlet, tells me the voltage too in DC. And then it comes over here to the fish finder.
Fish finder.
Yeah.
Lack thereof.
And there will be.
Planning for the future.
And then I'm gonna have some lights right here and here. So I'm gonna put a light up here, light over here, there'll be some back here. Yes sirs, yes sirs. I'm already feeding everything down, I might as well already. Use 2 down there. I'm thinking I might as well use this hole then. That's what I'm fucking talking about,
They
buddy.
didn't have all that hoopla.
Daddy, come back in here.
Oh, I can utilize this on my phone.
Is that what you've been doing while we were out there working? Got my arm stuck in the hole and everything. I was calling for help. You didn't even come help me, man.
I didn't hear you. You gotta call louder. You gotta be like, step bro, I'm stuck.
Need some
I'm gonna hit you.
blueberry buzzsaw. You got show. Now cable management.